Hey guys, this is Leonardo Gonzalez from Mexico City. In this video, I'm going to do a very quick tutorial for our friends at ProsDev, one of my favorite MuleSoft development communities. So this video is about a new Anypoint Studio feature in the newest version, which is 7.10.0 that has been available since last week. So what I want to show you is the new notification center for new versions of connectors. This will help us to get some recommendations when new connectors versions are available. As of this new version, it's no longer necessary to go to Anypoint connector release notes right here. To discover which are the new version of the connectors that we are using in our MuleSoft applications. For example, I'm using here the file connector and the database connector. So we can do this with a few clicks in our applications. As you can see, the new version was released the last week, and the release note indicates that this new feature is already available. So we are going to try it. This is saying that Anypoint Studio 7.10 introduces a new notification mechanism to help us keep up to date with the newest version of each module in Anypoint Exchange. So let's try it. I already have downloaded the latest version of Anypoint Studio. If you don't, you can download it right here in the official MuleSoft Anypoint Studio website. So you can do that. Already installed my latest version of Anypoint Studio. So all we have to do is right click on our MuleSoft project and choose the Manage Dependencies option. And finally, the Manage Modules option. That's it. The blue dots on the left of the version of each connector indicate that there is a new version of that connector are available in Anypoint Exchange. So to update them to the latest version, it's very easy. We just have to click on the update version button right here for each of these connectors. And that should be it. Just click on apply and close. And that's it. All versions of our connectors are now up to date. If you can see in the pom.xml file, this guy was 1.10.0. Now it's 1.10.3. And also, where is the other one, which is the file? This guy also was 1.3.0. Now is 1.3.4. So that's it. You are on the latest innovation now. Thank you, guys. Happy coding.